Did you know that domestic cats are responsible for the death of an astonishing number of birds and mammals each year in the United States? As mind-boggling as it may sound, it's true. Our feline friends, whether they're prowling the neighborhood or just spending time in our backyards, are responsible for a staggering death toll among our feathered and furry neighbors. And we're not talking about just a few unlucky critters here and there. We're talking about billions. Yes, you heard me right. Billions. According to a study published in the esteemed journal Nature, domestic cats in the United States kill between 1.3 and 4 billion birds and 6.3 to 22.3 billion mammals annually. Can you even begin to visualize such a number? It's almost unfathomable. So how did we come to know this astonishing fact? The study, which was a systematic review of previous research, incorporated data from various temperate regions, not just the United States. By collating and analyzing this extensive data, the researchers were able to estimate the scale of the impact our feline companions have on wildlife. But you might be wondering, why should I care? Cats are natural predators after all. And while that's true, the extent of the impact they have on wildlife populations is far from natural. In fact, the study suggests that free-ranging cats might be the single greatest source of human-caused mortality for birds and mammals in the United States. The sheer scale of these numbers is hard to comprehend. But what does it mean for our wildlife? Let's delve deeper. To understand the gravity of the situation, we need to break down these numbers. When we say that domestic cats kill between 1.3 and 4 billion birds and between 6.3 and 22.3 billion mammals annually, it's not just a string of large figures. These numbers represent a staggering percentage of the total bird and mammal populations in the United States. Let's put this into perspective. If we take the lower estimate, 1.3 billion birds, that's equivalent to around 4 birds for every person living in the United States. On the higher end, 4 billion birds would be about 12 birds per person. That's a lot of feathers. The mammal numbers are even more mind-boggling. With the lower estimate, 6.3 billion mammals, we're talking about nearly 20 mammals per person in the United States. And if we consider the upper estimate, 22.3 billion mammals, that's close to 68 mammals per person. That's a small zoo's worth of animals for every single person. But here's where it gets even more concerning. It's not just that these cats are killing billions of birds and mammals. The majority of this mortality is caused by unowned cats, those that are feral or semi-feral. These cats live in the wild, and their hunting instincts are fully engaged. They are not just hunting for food, they are hunting for sport, and their prey is our wildlife. The impact of these numbers is not just about the death toll. It's about the imbalance it creates in our ecosystems. Each bird and each mammal play a vital role, and their loss disrupts the delicate balance that nature has perfected over millions of years. So when we talk about billions of birds and mammals being killed annually, we're talking about a crisis that is shaking the very foundations of our natural world. The death toll is shocking, but the ripple effects on our ecosystems are even more concerning. When we delve into the deeper implications of these staggering figures, it becomes evident that the high mortality rate among birds and mammals caused by free-ranging domestic cats has a profound impact on the broader wildlife. Imagine a complex web where each strand represents a different species, all interconnected, all relying on each other to maintain balance. Now, if one strand is severed, it doesn't just affect that single strand, but the entire web trembles. This is the essence of biodiversity, the intricate interplay of life that sustains our planet's ecosystems. When domestic cats prey on billions of birds and mammals each year, they're not just eliminating individuals, they're disrupting populations, even to the point of extinction. This has already happened on numerous islands, where isolated wildlife species unaccustomed to such ruthless predators have been wiped out by domestic cats. On the mainland, the story isn't much different. Bird and mammal populations are feeling the pinch, with numbers dwindling in areas where cats are abundant. Each extinction, each population decline ripples out, affecting other species in turn. Predators lose their prey, herbivores lose their plants, and the entire ecosystem teeters, threatening to collapse. This loss of biodiversity is more than just a loss of individual species. It's a loss of resilience, a loss of the very lifeblood that keeps our ecosystems healthy and robust. Take birds, for example. Birds play a crucial role in our environment. They control pests, pollinate plants, and disperse seeds. They're our early warning system for environmental change. In essence, birds keep our world turning. When their populations decline, we're losing more than just the beautiful creatures that grace our skies. We're losing an essential cog in the machinery of life. The same goes for mammals. They're pollinators, seed dispersers, soil aerators, and much more. They're part of a grand tapestry that, once unraveled, can never be perfectly rewoven. This is a serious problem that requires urgent attention. But what can we do about it? The current approach to managing free-ranging cats is not working. It's time for a change. Our feline friends, as adorable as they may be, are causing a significant impact on our wildlife. A scale so immense that it's causing extinctions and reducing bird and mammal populations. But let's not point all claws at the cats. The real issue here is the lack of effective management strategies and conservation efforts. Basing our interventions on scientific evidence is crucial to understanding and addressing this problem. We need to delve deeper, carry out more research, and use this knowledge to develop more effective strategies. The goal: to balance the well-being of our beloved pets with the survival of our precious wildlife. Policy intervention is another key component. We need to rethink how we manage free-ranging cats, considering not just the welfare of the cats, but also the ecosystems they interact with. It's a complex issue, requiring a nuanced and balanced approach. The scale of the problem is immense, but with the right approach, we can make a difference. It's time to take action for the sake of our wildlife.